What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're going to teach you how to tighten your nuts.
That clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me just let me That clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me just let me That clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me fuck all that shit, just
Alright, you little heathens. This is the lug nut patterns you need to follow by when you are tightening lugs. Lug nuts, excuse me. It's not a very hard concept to grasp, so I'm going to do this shit Blue's Clues style for you. It's very simple. Alright, the first one is a 4-lug bolt pattern, okay? And you're going to start from the top and you're going to make a cross. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now when I'm done, I like to go over them again. You can either go back in the same pattern, but when I'm done, so I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just hit them again, just to make sure, so I always know they're tight. Moving on to the 5 bolt pattern. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, easy breezy. Next, we have the 6-wheel pattern. We're getting a little fucking dangerous here, guys. Pay attention, follow along. It's like Dora the Explorer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? Good. Now, it's getting even trickier. We're on to the 8 pattern. So get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, a little more tricky for some of you beginners out there, but you got this. Now, here's the tricky Ricky one. Tricky Ricky. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it. That's all you need to know. Alright, so that's it. I hope this helped you guys. I know it sounds stupid that you had to watch this if you weren't prepared for it, whatever, but it's in the title. You should have known better. If you're that stupid to click the title and you already know how to tighten lug nuts, then you shouldn't have clicked the fucking title. Simple as that. For you guys that don't know, make sure you pay attention to this, because if you fuck around and that wheel comes off and that hits a little 90-year-old lady pushing her cart full of groceries across the street and knocks her into tomorrow, your whole world's gonna be fucked up. You're gonna lose your job, which means you're gonna lose that girlfriend that's only with you because of your job. Your pets are gonna die because you can't feed them, and if you have a midget like I do, he's gonna die because you can't feed him. It's just a big chain of events that you do not want to happen, I can assure you. That's all I got for this video, so if you liked it, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, leave a thumbs down, and I'll see you in the next video.
That clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me